Hello, you beautiful souls, and welcome back to House of Enlightenedhood. My name is Lena Lemos, and I am here to help you on your path to light, love, wisdom, all the good things. Our mission here at House of Enlightenedhood is to keep all this content free and accessible for you. So don't forget to like and subscribe and hit that little bell notification. I made another video describing this visualization, but for those of you who like the more guided meditation approach, we are going to do that where I am going to guide you in a meditation to help call your light back in. If you're more interested in, the logistics, the why behind it, check out this video. But for now, we are going to find a quiet, seated position. You may want to lay down, sit. I always prefer to sit cross-legged, or you may want to sit in a chair and put your feet on the ground. And we're going to start with 3 deep breaths of unconditional love. I want you to begin to bring your awareness to your energetic body. Bring your attention to the you that exists a few inches beyond your physical body. And I want you to start at your head. Start to scan around your head and start to notice, what does the energy around your head feel like? Our main goal in this meditation is to use your awareness and your intention and the visualization of a white light to start to mend the cracks and the holes of our energetic body, where we're letting our energy, our joy, our power, our wisdom seep away to the external world. So as you bring your awareness to your head, notice, does it feel like there is a hole? Is there stuck and stagnant energy? Does the energy feel just right? And as you scan, a white light washes over each corner, each crevice, each crack, and repairs your energetic body. And as you continue to scan down your neck and into your shoulders, your collarbone, you'll start to feel the pressure building as you bring your light back in. This is your frequency raising. This is your power, your light coming back to you. You are feeling your vibration raise in real time. And as you scan down your arms, into your elbows, your forearms, your hands, your fingers, and deep into your organs, your heart, your lungs, down into your digestive system, your sacral chakra, your root, to your hips, your legs, your ankles, and your toes. You are continuing to patch all the places in your energetic body where you have let your light leak out. And you may start to feel more tingles, the pressure continuing to build as you continue to finish your scan. Your energetic body is glowing with full white light. You are whole. You are sovereign. You are unity. I want you to take one last deep, loving breath. And as you exhale, it pushes love that fully encompasses your energetic body. And if you've gone into a deeper meditative state, I want you to start to wiggle your fingers and your toes to come back with me here now. And if your eyes are closed, gently open them and come back here with me now. You can use this whenever you feel like your energy is being depleted, whenever you feel like your external is full of chaos, because the most important thing we can do for ourselves is always be grounded within, to always have as much of our light and our sovereignty as we can. And to be grounded in our inner world is to be grounded in our external world, no matter what it looks like, because the world's kind of crazy right now. So let me know in the comments what you felt as you brought your light and your energy back in. And as always, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell notification, because it's your support, your engagement, our growth together that helps keep all of this content free. Sending you so much light and so much love, and we'll talk soon.